The Danville Community College Office of Accessibility Services welcomes you to this brief demonstration video on Kurzweil 3000 for Windows version 15. In this demonstration video we will show you how to create and save a blank draft document. We will also examine several of the available writing and reference tools Kurzweil provides. First, we should familiarize ourselves with the locations of Kurzweil's writing ribbon, writing toolbar, and reference menu. To the left side of the main Kurzweil application window you can locate the writing toolbar. The writing toolbar contains several useful features such as create a new document, enable highlighter features, and a spell checker. Near the top of the main Kurzweil application window you can locate the writing-specific ribbon. The writing-specific ribbon contains useful document formatting features such as bold, italic, and underline, along with document view options. To the top right of the Kurzweil application window you can locate the Reference Tools drop-down menu. From this menu you can access several reference tools such as word definitions, synonyms, and pronunciations. Let's get started creating a blank document and trying out some of the available writing features. We start this process by locating and double-clicking on the Kurzweil 3000 desktop icon. This action will launch the Kurzweil for Windows software and display a user sign-in dialog window. In the username and password fields enter your existing Kurzweil user credentials. If you have problems accessing your user account, please contact your counselor or the Information Technology Department for assistance. Now locate and click the green sign-in button. Once Kurzweil has launched you will see the Kurzweil main application window. At the top of the Kurzweil application window locate and click the Right drop-down menu. From the Right drop-down menu, scroll down to and select the New menu option. On the New pop-out menu, select the Draft menu option. On the Draft pop-out menu, select the Blank menu option. We now have a blank document open and you can now begin to type in the document window. Alternatively, the process for creating a blank draft document can be performed by first locating and selecting the Right tab to the top left of the menu bar. Now locate the New Document button on the Writing toolbar to the left side of the Kurzweil main application window. Left-clicking on this button produces a flyout submenu containing three choices. Select the first icon on the flyout submenu that represents a new blank draft document. Let's examine some of the writing-specific ribbon features that you can utilize in Kurzweil. Above your document window, you can locate the writing-specific ribbon. This area contains the Document View options, and the Document Formatting options. The Document View options allow you to switch between different views of the same document. Currently we are in the Draft View mode. From this menu you can change the document view to a brainstorm view, an outline view, a split screen view, or a draft view. To the right of the Document View options, you can locate the Document Formatting options. These options are the same as any traditional word processing application, such as font selection, text alignment, bold, italic, underline, and line spacing. In this example, I have switched between all four document view modes using the Document View buttons. I have also bolded and underlined a line of text in my document using the formatting options. Let's examine some of the writing toolbar features that you can utilize in Kurzweil. To the left side of the Kurzweil main application window you can locate the writing toolbar. The Writing Toolbar contains several document writing features such as Create a Blank Document, Spell Checker, Highlighters, Footnotes, Voice Notes, Word Prediction, along with other useful document production features. In this example I have highlighted a line of text in my document using the blue highlighter. Let's examine some of the reference features that you can utilize in Kurzweil. While you are writing documents, you may find the reference menu very useful. The reference menu is one of 3 menus on the main Kurzweil application window ribbon bar. In the top right of the Kurzweil application window you can locate the Reference Tools drop-down menu. From this menu you can access several reference tools such as word definitions, synonyms, syllables, a picture dictionary, and human pronunciations. In this example we will use the definition feature, available on the reference menu, to define the word document. To use this feature, highlight the word you would like to define, then select definition from the drop-down reference menu. This will open a new window containing the highlighted words dictionary definition. You can also access the picture dictionary in the same way. First highlight the word you would like to define, then select picture from the reference drop-down menu. This will open a new window containing an image-related example of the highlighted term. In this example we see an image related to the term we are defining, which is document. The synonyms feature, syllables feature, and human pronunciation feature can be accessed in this same manner. Finally, let's examine how to save your newly created document. To save a copy of your document, locate and select the File menu to the top upper left of the main Kurzweil application window. From this menu select Save. This action will display a File Save As dialog window. From here you can browse to a location on your local workstation where you can name and save your file. In this demonstration we have named our example document, My First Document, .rtf. Now we locate and click the Save button to save a copy of your draft document. You may also choose to save your file to the Kurzweil Universal Library. The Kurzweil Universal Library is a cloud drive provided with your Kurzweil user account. This cloud-based storage location can be accessed from multiple, internet-connected, applications such as Kurzweil for Windows, the Kurzweil www.kurzweil3000.com website, and the Firefly iPad application. In review, we examined how to create and save a new draft document. We also examined several components of the writing ribbon, writing toolbar, and reference menu. The writing ribbon enables you to control document formatting attributes such as the font size and document view. The writing toolbar enables you to spell check, markup, and add notes to your document. The reference menu provides quick access to written definitions, picture definitions, and human pronunciations of words. Thank you for viewing this instructional video.